Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the Model 2 in Melrose. I'm going to show you what I mean when I say Melrose is Melrose. For proper context, this is like over... Proper context here. Spiegeltown gets a fire call. Additional teams to join Spiegeltown in this fire battle. Those are Melrose, 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 and so then here's where it gets interesting now. So there's Melrose, there's Melrose, and there's Melrose. There's Pleasantdale. There's the Model 2. And I mean that could be the Model 2 in Melrose, but at the same time, I'm not too sure. There's another windup. And I already know that windup just then, that's very faint windup, that is not the Model 2 in Melrose, so that can't be Pleasantdale. And I mean that could be the Model 2 in Melrose, but at the same time, I'm not Melrose. But now that was very faint, but that sounded like a dual tone Model 2 in Melrose. Does that sound slightly Model 2? Guys, Melrose might be the Model 2. But now, that was very faint, but that sounded like Rensselaer County put a spectral delete on Spiegeltown, and I already know that Rensselaer County can't put a spectral delete on Spiegeltown, so that can't be Spiegeltown. And I mean, that could be Pleasantdale. Guys, Melrose might be back. Their Thunderbolt might be the Model 2.